So here we're going to look at a problem that'll hopefully help you as you are going ahead and looking at problems 43 to 46. So here we're told that the area underneath a given curve, we don't necessarily know what it is, from 1 to 6 is 11.798. So here I just drew a curve going from 1 all the way to 6. And we're going to assume that the area that I have highlighted here is what we're talking about. So now you need to think about, what does this plus 3 do to your graph? The plus 3 is hanging out with the x, so you should remember from pre-calc in algebra 2 that it moves your graph sideways. In this case, it would move it 3 units to the left. If we are moving it 3 units to the left, you can see that the area gets moved over to -2 and only goes to the right to 3. So that's why our domain changes. Now, if we just moved our area 3 units left, does it go ahead and change the actual area? No, it's still the exact same shape. So your area of this one here is still the exact same of 11.798. Now, if we look at this one here, our plus 2 is not in the parentheses with the x, so we're not moving sideways. It's afterwards, so that means it's going to actually take your original function and move everything 2 units up. Well, if I take that and move it 2 units up, I get this shape here, which is really that original shape plus this extra rectangle underneath, which would be a total of 5 units wide and 2 units high, and an area of 5 by 2 is 10, so it's going to add 10 onto the original area. If we are looking at this, it takes and moves your area 1 unit down because the -1 is not inside the parentheses, so it's going to drop everything down 1 unit. So in other words, it would be like this. And you'll notice you still have a rectangle that you're dealing with, but this area underneath would be having a negative height of 1, still a width of 5. So the black area underneath that we're no longer using is an area of -5. So the whole area that's above would be your original highlighted area plus that area that's below, which is an area of -5. So it would be your original area plus -5 for your area of this one here.